Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall FFmpeg builds from macOS, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your macOS terminal. You can find the terminal application in your applications folder under utilities. Once you have the terminal open, you will want to identify the FFmpeg version you have installed. Type the command FFmpeg version and press enter. Take note of the install method you used, as it may affect the uninstallation process. If you installed FFmpeg using Homebrew, use the command brew uninstall FFmpeg. Press enter to execute the command. This will remove FFmpeg from your system if it was installed via Homebrew. If you installed FFmpeg via a pre-built binary, locate the directory where FFmpeg is installed. Typically, this can be a path like /usr/local/bin/ or /usr/local/seller/ffmpeg. Once you find the installation directory, use the command cd/path/ to /directory. Replace /path/ to /directory with the actual path you found. After navigating to the installation directory, you can remove the FFmpeg files. Type rm/ffmpeg to delete the executable file. If you also have additional components installed, like fplay or fprobe, remove those with the same rm command. If you installed FFmpeg using Mac ports, use the command sudo port uninstall FFmpeg. Enter your password if prompted. This will remove the FFmpeg package from your system. After uninstalling, you might want to clean up any lingering files. You can check for leftover files in directories like /usr/local/bin/ or /usr/local/include/. Delete any remaining FFmpeg files by navigating to those directories and using the rm command. To confirm that FFmpeg is completely uninstalled, type FFmpeg version again. You should see an error message indicating that the command is not found. With these steps, you have successfully uninstalled FFmpeg from your macOS system. Ensure to close the terminal and check your system for any further cleanup if needed. This completes the detailed guide on uninstalling FFmpeg builds from macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.